Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Hey everybody.
For decades, Kreg has been the silent partner in the wood shop, known for the jigs and clamps that hold projects together. With the 2026 release of the Ionic Drive 20-volt system, Kreg is officially stepping away from the workbench and into the palm of your hand.
Yeah, Jeff, this isn't just a basic tool launch. It's a prosumer-grade power tool ecosystem designed to bridge the gap between heavy-duty projects and precision joinery that Kreg is just famous for. Here, we have the first wave of tools released in the end of 2025, which we showed you already in a previous video. An impressive first showing that was headlined by the flagship Rebel Pocket Joiner.
I love that
Love
thing.
that thing, yeah.
It's an awesome blend of the precision of Kreg jigs and the new power tool core of the Ionic Drive. While this was already a very diverse initial launch of the power tool lineup, the second wave is already here and it makes a splash.
Big splash. This second wave expansion came out around May 2026. It fills the gap for a complete workshop or garage setup. We've got a complete impact wrench lineup, new drills, grinder, blower, vacuum, and upgraded chargers and larger batteries.
Yeah, first up we have the high torque half-inch impact wrench. This was the most surprising addition. Kreg is clearly expanding and moving away from traditional woodworking projects. This tool is the flagship of the heavy-duty line, engineered for those high-power moments like timber framing or automotive work. It's a beast that delivers 1,200 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, which is plenty to bust loose a rusted bolt or drive massive structural screws into dense lumber. It puts it on par with a lot of the other players out there. Yeah. What makes it Kreg-like, though, is the precision. It features a 4-speed selector, including a specialized assist mode. This mode is a lifesaver. It prevents you from over-torquing and snapping a fastener and having it spin out of control once it breaks loose.
It's flying off to the side.
Yeah, it becomes essentially a smart wrench that knows when to let her rip or when to back off. Following behind that are two compact models, the half-inch and the 3/8. Now they're essentially the same tool wrench. Yeah. I mean, the same body, both capable of 650 foot-pounds, so about half that of the big boy here. But these are your fit-anywhere tools for lag bolting workbenches or equipment maintenance.
Moving on to that, we've got half-inch high-speed drill. I've called this their premium drill. It is the larger of the two drills. It is specifically for woodworkers who need clean, splinter-free holes. Occasionally maybe need to anchor a cabinet into brick or concrete, but this is something that you're going to want to like run a hole saw with. It's got a handle, you can really grab hold of it. The high-speed drill has a 2,500 RPMs, a boost mode, which is the standout feature basically on this. It's significantly faster than standard drills and allows for incredibly clean entries into hardwoods. Safety was clearly a priority here too, as this model includes an integrated gyroscopic brake. If the drill catches on a knot or maybe a hidden piece of metal that tries to twist out of your hand or wrist, the sensor detects the sudden kickback motion and it basically kills the motor instantly. It's a pro-grade safety feature for sure, and making this high torque drilling application a lot less intimidating and safer. It's got 100 inch-pounds of torque and, like I said, 2,500 RPMs. What we really liked about it basically is the safety features for the kickback, because that to me is a huge feature on this tool. Then we have the compact hammer drill. It's a smaller version. Somebody who needs occasional tap cons, maybe in a shop floor or wall, occasional drilling. It'll fit inside a cabinet or a drawer. It's a lot smaller. It's got a shorter head. I should say it's like the other high-speed drill that came out, but it has the hammer feature. 650 pounds of torque, 2,500 RPMs, with 22 position chuck, so you don't overdrive fasteners.
Yeah, up next is the grinder. 4.5-inch to 5-inch angle grinder. Adding an angle grinder to the lineup is another bold move that signals Kreg's intent to leave the woodwork or wood-only niche. This grinder is remarkably versatile because of its 6-speed gearbox. While most other grinders are either on or off, Kreg's version allows you to dial the speed down for delicate wood shaping and carving, or crank it up to 9,000 RPM for aggressive metal cutting or material removal. Yeah. It also uses a soft start motor, so the tool doesn't jump out of your hand the moment you pull the paddle switch. It includes guards for 4.5 and expands to 5.5 or 5-inch wheels. Non-locking paddle switch, or a dead man switch. Yeah. And perhaps our most favorite feature is the hidden integrated wrench that indexes into the handle. It took me a while to find it the first time.
You couldn't find it.
But once you know it's there, it's a really nice addition.
We then move on to their vacuum. Kreg has always made dust management a priority, so a cordless vacuum was the logical next step for them in the Ionic Drive platform. This isn't just a dust buster. It's a HEPA rated system that captures 99.97% of fine particles down to 0.3 microns, I think. Huge for anyone in the garage or workshop where sawdust is the enemy, right? It features a universal connector that connects to a standard 1.25" hose, meaning it plugs directly into Kreg sanders, which is huge. Huge bonus. Something other manufacturers
I don't know why
really
everybody doesn't do it, but it fits nicely.
It's also a wet dry vac, so you can pick up liquids and you know, it's just a versatile tool for sure.
And the last tool in the lineup is the 20-volt shop blower. While most builders use a leaf blower for cleaning the workspace or the job site, a wood shop means something a little more surgical. This blower is compact, balanced, and surprisingly powerful. It delivers 200 mile/hour airflow with 100 CFM clearing power. Brushless motor, 3-speed settings, and a variable speed trigger. It includes an extension nozzle, so it's actually longer than this, for reaching into tight spaces, and 3 inflator nozzles, which is kind of nice for all those kids' toys and other stuff that you got to inflate around the house. At just 2.5 pounds, this is the tool you reach for every 15 minutes to clear your saw table or blow out a pocket hole jig before the next workpiece.
Super versatile, for sure, inside the shop, cleaning up, just cleaning the desktop off. Then Kreg also came out with some new batteries and a supercharger, a fast charger. The initial launch was 2.0 and a 4.0 amp hour battery. This is now a 6 and an 8 amp hour editions. We don't have any to show you right now, but they're a welcomed addition for some of those higher draw tools like the vacuum, the blower, grinder, stuff like that. And then rounding out the lineup is the supercharger. So it's an 8 amp charger. It's capable of charging a standard 4.0 battery 4 times quicker than that standard charge that was in that first release. So
yeah, that was a 2 amp charger. This is up to an 8. So
you know, overall, great. I think, guys, Kreg didn't just build another cordless drill. They built a system that feels, it's been designed for people who want to build stuff. Between the sophisticated gyroscopic brake safety and the specialized assist modes in the Ionic Drive system, it gives you a level of control in your construction grade projects that allow you precision and allow you to kind of get the job done safely.
If you're already a fan of the Kreg lineup or you're thinking about diving in, these new additions have really broadened the amount of tools that you can have in your shop, in your garage. It's a really impressive showing, and we really encourage you to check it out.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed.
Yeah, guys, check out the Kreg. If you liked the video, please give us a like, thumbs up, leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Put a link below for that. See you at the next video.